Ready? Hey guys, and welcome to our... Oh, hey guys! Come on.
I thought I was the nervous wreck. I thought you'd done this before.
I've done this before, but I've never done... Hey guys, and welcome to our first video on cooking, and I think this is the third or fourth video on our channel. Welcome back to the Bonkers Bunch. We will be doing a recipe from one of RJ's favourite YouTuber, Rosanna Poncino. Is it getting worse? I think it's getting worse. I've tried to say
Rosanna Pancino.
Pancino?
Not whatever ham you're trying to think of. Panacino.
Okay. Cool. So inside this book, she's got many recipes of different cakes, and today I believe we are doing the Wi-Fi cheesecake. I will be doing as little as possible as I don't cook. So I will let RJ take everything as she is the chef.
Le chef.
Le chef. Okay, so the first thing it says to do in this book is to create a nice buttery biscuit base.
Which we've already pre-done.
We've already pre-done, and we will probably put the video, or a small video of the base in now. So the next step of this cake, is it cake? I guess it is a cake.
It's a cheesecake.
cheesecake.
So, yeah.
So the next step of this cheesecake would be to create the mixture.
The cheese.
The cheese filling, the top, the mixture. I think it's mixture is the best thing to say. Or the filling. So the next step is the third one on this, and it is to make
the filling. Dot.
Make the filling. Let's grab one large bowl, like we've got here, and add the cream cheese and sugar together until smooth and light. So have you got the cream cheese?
Yes. Because it's blue,
Yep.
I've done half and half, because also our bowl isn't this big.
Okay.
So I'm just gonna do this cream cheese. I've got this one, and then I have a blue one, which is still themed. So I'm just gonna put all of this, yeah, because I have to.
So this is already halved, so we have two mixtures already.
It's quite loud, so.
Don't worry.
And I'm only going to do half the sugar, because obviously the other half has to go in there. Just going to eyeball half, yeah. And then I'm just going to put the other half in there.
Cool. Now you have to stir or mix until light and smooth. Do you want a whisk?
Yeah, I've got this one.
Perfect.
Got my own whisk. Rosanna actually has her own baking line, which again, nobody got me for my Christmas, so I haven't got it yet.
What does it mean?
Do you want to whisk this? Because
You want
this is
to
the bit you can do.
Hey guys, that has taken forever to get this smooth. It is really tired you out, hasn't it?
Yeah, next video I'm going to buy the stuff
I've done a
first.
little bit, but mine's not as smooth as RJ's. Mine is a little bit lumpy.
A wee bit lumpy.
A wee bit lumpy, but you know what? We're going to proceed and we're going to see how it comes out with a little bit thick.
Thick.
Thick boy. What is the next step? Beat in eggs. Vanilla extract. We are using lemon extract. And it's my favourite, and that is why we are using it. And then what does it say then? Do not overmix.
Yeah.
Okay, just combine it with the existing stuff. So that means half of this beaten egg mix needs to go in there, and half of it needs to go in the white.
So we should have already done one.
Yeah, that looks about half. Now pour a little bit more. Yeah, that looks great. I want
And mix again.
And mix the cake. Oh, what, more mixing. This is going to be a workout and a half. Whee!
Oh, we need to have lemon with it.
Yep, drop the lemon in.
We've just got Morrison's best lemon anyway.
Yeah.
That's what we've got.
A little drop. Yeah. Yeah.
Oh, that was lemony fresh.
Lemony fresh. That's perfect, thank you. So I put a little bit of lemon the other day in my pancakes and it was amazing. It was absolutely amazing. So hopefully this gives it a little bit more of a taste. I hope you're doing the cleaning up of the kitchen.
No, you are.
I'm doing the cleaning up.
Yeah.
Oh God, help us.
Then we add the sour cream. We're doing double cream because we're British.
Yes. And that needs to be half and half.
It needs to be
like
well
the last
blended.
one.
Which I've put in here.
So half of it needs to go in here and half of it needs to go in there.
Which means you need like lots of whisking skills. Oh, hello.
So. Bah. Is that double cream?
Yeah.
Oh gosh. How do you know when half is?
I assume.
I assume. Oh. Oh, now that the other half goes, yeah, the rest goes in the other one. Oh, look at that. I think that's what's going to thicken this mix up.
Yeah.
Because we didn't realise how thick that cream was before we... Because it poured out easily once it came out the fridge. I think it gets thick when it gets warm.
I don't like cream. I don't know why I did that.
It smells beautiful.
I like ice cream now.
Ice cream. Do you mind if I mix a little bit of the blue?
Yeah, yeah.
Where's the fork go? There's the fork go. Let's speed this up.
I'm already speeding it. I didn't know you were fast forwarding, so I went.
Okay.
Oh no, I made a mess. Sorry.
Oh no. Well, so what's the next step?
Run the sour cream. Pour mixture into prepared crust evenly. With this one.
I can pick this up.
Yeah. We forgot to say this one needs a 9-inch round, but ours is 7 because that's all we have. So we're gonna have an extra thick one.
Yeah, extra thick face.
Thick. Need a spoon.
Need a spoon?
Not a holy one.
Not
No,
a
no.
holy one. Just a normal spoon.
It says pour and spread evenly with the white one. So now we actually have to go back onto here.
I'm worried that it's going to ooze out. Sure. Famous last words.
Oh no, this is messy too. You have to buy me a new one.
It's used. Yeah.
Um,
So what do we do now? So, this says
make a crust,
Yeah.
which we've done, 2 inches high, which I'm sure we've done.
Yeah, that looks 2 inches.
Bake for 10 minutes, which we've done. It says remove the pan from the oven. Oh, duh.
Yeah.
I thought it meant remove the pan. I was
No.
like, wait, what?
Remove this
Right,
from
make the doolally into
Yep.
2 separate things. 1, 2.
the rest of the mixture.
Put the rest of
into
the mixture,
crust.
spread. So,
Oh.
some of this,
Just pour on top.
yeah, that's what I'm going to do.
Oh.
Right, evenly poured.
Keep going.
No,
Right.
I'll tell you why now.
Is it oozing out?
No. Right, evenly. And then what we actually do, I didn't show you this, put it in a piping bag and make this circle. Yeah?
But that doesn't mean each layer.
Well, it kind of does.
No, it
Look, she's done half. I'm going to do it in half anyway, just because I feel weird. So I need your help.
Look, it's not.
I just want to do it that way.
You want to do each level?
Yeah.
Oh.
Not each, I'm just going to do it in half. That's even. Oh! That's yummy!
Tasty.
Right.
Different.
It says in a piping bag, as you saw on there, it says with a piping bag, do this, this and this, but again, we don't have it today. This is a really bad video, I'm sorry. Where are you?
I'm over here.
But the next one will have stuff.
Yes.
Can you hold this
Yes.
and not cry when it gets heavy?
I'm going to cry, you know me too well. Ooh, what's that noise? Spludge. Okay.
I actually want to double bag it. Could you get another bag, please?
Another bag. Another one. We have. Ba, 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 ba.
Put it in the corner, and I'm literally just going to snip that bit off. It's too much in there, this is going to make a big, huge mess now, but never mind. Could you hold the tip? Hold the tip.
Don't have a finger though.
Hold this.
What?
That little bit there. Hold that little bit there. Hold that little bit there. Hold. Oh my god!
Sorry, what was I going to do?
Stop. It just says go round in a circle. Oh, this is very wet.
That is not how
I have a feeling we're going to do this wrong. Just going to make a big circle here.
Oh no!
Right, because I'm not going to let go,
Yeah.
that can go on top of there.
What, this stuff?
Yep, all of it.
All of it?
Yep.
Okay, you ready?
Well, maybe not all of it. Let's have a look. Ah!
Oh no!
Alive!
It's liquidy. Oh no!
Yeah, that's probably why she didn't do it that way.
That's why she's done it at the end.
This is going to go all the way around here.
Yeah. You're doing great. Keep it up.
Stop.
Yep.
All the way around there. That's better.
That's 10
Try
times
again
better.
now.
As you see,
Stop.
the pan is getting full.
And all the way in the middle. It's not a direct circle, but hopefully when we cut it, we'll cut the right piece.
This looks great.
Oh, let me just do the outside again.
One upper rim coming up. Good rim job. Keep going. You can do it. Then you need more down here. Yeah, that's it. Perfect.
Right,
I
I've got
like
enough.
the
I've got
look.
some left, so I'm going to make a little one.
What do you mean a little one?
I've got a little heart-shaped one, so I'm going to make a little one. We're going to take a picture of this because I don't want to move that and I don't want to move that. This now goes in the oven.
Oh.
If you're American, it goes in a preheated oven at 350. If you're British, it goes in at 180. Why does it not say?
45 minutes.
Why does it say that?
On page 28.
Yeah, for 45 minutes.
So you want me to take this in the oven?
Yeah. Do you want me to do it?
Yeah, I'll open the oven. You place it in. It's mid-shelf. So you need to put it on the top one. Yeah, out of all of our...
Right, and then we have a timer for 45 minutes.
Woohoo!
And then we'll get back to you.
45 minute wait. Yeah. Hey guys, welcome back. We are at a stage where the cake is now ready to chill, or what would you say? It's not ready to chill, it's ready to come out the oven.
Yeah.
So as an instruction it says bake for 45 minutes, open the oven or prop the door slightly open and let the cake rest in the oven for 1 hour. We've done that. We are now at a stage where we now have to pull this out and get the cake ready. So I'm going to not find the cake in the oven. Where have you put it? Well, have you done? We have got a semi.
Do you know what? It's not as bad as it's a bit chilly. It's not as bad as I thought it would be. Could you imagine if it just...
Yeah. I could imagine that, that's the thing. So, what do we need to do? What does it say now? Remove from the oven and place on a rack. Cool to room temperature. Cover
Which
and...
it is, I think. I'm sure. It's still a bit warm, actually.
It's nice. I guess it's turned yellow because of the fact that we've used lemon in our extract.
Extract.
And I also think it's yellow because it's slightly cooked. I've never cooked a cheesecake before.
I've never baked a cheesecake
It's always
before.
been fridge based. No, you get cold, is that right?
That's how you make cheesecake.
That's how you make a cheesecake.
It sets, therefore
Yeah,
you have
that's
to make
what I
it
mean.
cold.
That's what I mean.
Yeah, I've never baked a cheesecake before.
So this was new for me as well.
This is also
So-
a New York style cheesecake, that's why it's sweet.
Okay, so we have got it to a stage. Do we attempt to remove it from its keep? Or do we have to refrigerate it?
Remove from the oven and place on a wire rack to cool from room temperature. So a wire rack or a cooling rack, which is what that is. It doesn't say remove from the tin yet. Which we've done. We've done that for long enough,
Yes,
haven't
we have now left it and we have let it cool for now.
Cover and refrigerate until chilled before serving.
Right now, I think we're at a stage where we are going to take, let it cool and relax, and then we're going to record us cutting the cake.
Okay, together. I made a teeny tiny bit with what's left,
Okay,
which is probably set now.
so we are going to test on a small cake that we have. So our test. Does it look good? So if you think you just need to pop it up. Ooh. Oh, look at that! Wow!
It's a bit like whatever.
It's a bit weird, but look at this. We have got a love heart.
Should I just cut it and have a little taste now?
Yeah, let's have a little taste. So we don't need to cut the big one now. We're going to just have a little sample of our big cheesecake using the small one that we made at the same time. So, where you don't break my heart! How dare you? You took a slice out of it. Ooh, let's have a little chunk. What's it like? Oh,
With this one, I also put orange essence in the biscuit base.
orange. That is really nice.
Is it?
Yeah, I really like this. What do you think? Could have used a bit more lemon.
Yeah.
Could have used a little bit more lemon extract.
Because I've never baked a cheesecake, I feel like the texture's strange. But I also think it's not cooled properly enough yet.
Yeah, so right now, I don't think it's set. And hello.
Do you like that bit?
I want this bit, yes.
I love this bit. It also is a really weird texture because it's a really weird colour. Like, if
So
you
your
really
brain,
look at it.
your brain is expecting to be eaten right now. I'm looking at it thinking, it's an omelette.
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 Omelette. So
Omelette.
Omelette.
If you look at this, I don't know where the camera is. If you look at this way, it just looks like mould. Therefore, my brain is going, that's not normal.
Oh, this is really nice because there's also chocolate chips in the
Well,
base.
In the book, it did actually say use graham crackers or ginger snap crumbs. I just used hobnobs because that's what I had.
I did say to get ginger nuts when we were in the
I
store.
don't like ginger though.
But yeah, I was going to say.
I'm really whatever. We will montage how this all goes because obviously we made the base first. But yeah, that's it. We'll show you the end piece as well.
Yeah.
It's a completely different colour.
I'm enjoying this, don't you mind me?
Anyway, cheesecake is your favourite, isn't it? Lemon
Yeah.
cheesecake. Is it yummy?
It's completely different. Okay guys, I think that is the end of the video. Thank you for watching so far, and if you're at the end, then thank you. You're my favourite type of you're my favourite type of people. Thank you guys, and I think this is going to be one of the
many to come.
Many to come, yeah. I think the next one is going to be a pancake off, where you and me will go head to head, and who can make the best pancakes and who can do the most flips. We're going to have it. We're going to set rules in that video, and I'll explain in the next one.
And they'll be broken.
Yeah. I don't cheat. I swear, I'm just competitive. Okay. So, as always, guys, like, subscribe, and ring the bell. Alright, guys. Bye.
Thank you. Bye. Bye.